ka na. Ilang taon mo nang kilala ang Alice Urig Pansit Malabon. Higit 2 dekada ng paborito ng bayan. Mula sa Pinoy favorites na laging hanap-hanap sa Pansit Malabon hanggang sa Kanton, Palabok, Sotanghon at iba pa. Samahan pa ng Pinoy classic meals at merienda natives. Alice Urig Pansit Malabon. Mas pinasarap sa pagdaan ng panahon. Higit 20 years na sa Pinoy tables para busikin ka. Kaya pa-deliver na sa 0917-550-0194. Located at Lino Barrera Street, Public Market, Santiago City. With branches at Dubilan, City Road, Centro West, and Robinson's Place Food Plaza, Santiago City.
Puno ng saya sa Paskong puno ng pag-asa. New Santiago Liberty Store Magical Christmas Raffle Promo. Ngayong Pasko, kasama ang New Santiago Liberty Store. Hindi lang ilaw ang magniningning, kundi pati ang bawat pusong puno ng saya at pag-asa. Kasali agad sa raffle sa bawat 1,000 pesos na pinamili sa lahat ng New Santiago Liberty Store branches. At nakapagbigay na ng piso sa Buhay Ka Isabela Cancer Support Group. Munting tulong na may dalang malaking pag-asa. Narito ang mga papremyong naghihintay sa inyo. Third prize, 4-burner Hyundai gas range. Second prize, 7.5 kilos Fujidenso fully automatic washing machine. First prize, 43 inches Panasonic Smart TV. And grand prize, Everest chest type freezer. At 10 fabulous consolation prizes na siguradong magpapaginhawa sa ating buhay at magpapaganda ng ating bahay. Shop na! Ngayon na! Mas maraming pinamili, mas maraming raffle entries. Grand draw is on January 8, 2026. Promo starts from November 12, 2025 to January 8, 2026. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! Greetings from New Santiago Liberty Store and Appliance Center along Lino Barrera Corner, Panganiban Street Public Market and New Santiago Liberty Store Heritage Commercial Complex.
Pasukan na naman at handa na dyan ang Unishine Medical Supplies for all kinds of medical needs. Medical supplies and equipment for medical students are available at Unishine Medical Supplies. May month-long promo sa OB bags for only 1,999 at may 50 medical contents na. Hindi lang yan, available din ang lab gowns and customized scrub suits for nursing and midwifery students. Also available on-run and doctoral machine for physical therapy students. Unishine Medical Supplies at Maharlika Highway, Central East, Santiago City.
Listen to a surefire hit and bound to be the soundtrack of the holiday season from Gia Macaraeg. Here's Christmas Time.